Hey everyone, you ready for another epic adventure? We're going back to Snowbird. So last year, Bob Hendrickson, Director of Manufacturing for Steelcase, invited me to go on an annual trip they take to Snowbird, Utah to do some of the most incredible skiing ever. We had great conditions last year, and again this year we had great conditions with beautiful sunshine and just day after day of shredding it up on the mountain. And as I was going up the gondola, I thought to myself, I am so lucky that I'm able to do the things I get to do. And I thought, why is it? Because of urgency in the way I've pursued lean and continuous improvement. And here are my thoughts. So here's my message to everyone. Embrace lean with urgency. Make it the most important thing you do. I'm skiing today in Snowbird, Utah, one of the most beautiful places in the world in perfect condition. I know for a fact I'm skiing today because I embraced it with urgency. Even today, I'm making improvements to everything I'm doing in the way I ski. That's my crazy hot water bottle invention. I love to have hot tea when I'm skiing, but I blew up my bladder putting hot tea in it. So then I took a seltzer water bottle, heated it up, and flattened it and put it on my backpack. And yes, it works perfect so I can stay really well hydrated. But that's not the only thing. You know, you may look at me and say I'm a pretty decent skier, but the truth of the matter is I suck. So I went and took a lesson and I learned 10 different things I was doing wrong. And it was just unbelievable how much and how powerful it is when you take a process like skiing or anything else and you break it down and you realize there are all kinds of small nuances to be improved all the time. And I went and took that lesson and I could not believe Mark Riley, my teacher, he did an incredible job of tuning me up and getting me to the next level. And I'm so appreciative of that. But you know, if I was satisfied, I would never ski at this level, but I'm never satisfied. I'm always looking for a better way to do everything. I regard everything as a process, including skiing. Everything can be improved endlessly. This is continuous improvement. And I do it with urgency because I think to myself, I'm 59 years old and I seem to be skiing good, but that's not enough.
The best day. The best day.
I'm getting a red nose.
You know you're skiing right.
When you're sweating.
When you're sweating.
Never be satisfied. Keep pushing the envelope, even if it means an epic crash from time to time on film to show people your failures, but that's okay. Lean is about running the experiment and learning and improving. And indeed, that's exactly what we do on our ski trips. And we have such a great time. And I really appreciate the opportunities that have been afforded me throughout my life, and particularly this one on this annual trip to Snowbird, Utah.